So sclera is opaque in nature. That means light cannot penetrate through. It is opaque in nature. The white part of our eye, opaque in nature, and it is avascular. It is avascular in nature, but it contains blood body pains. It contains pain receptors. That is it. It contains pain receptors. And sclera starts from the posterior chamber or posterior segment, run to the anterior segment and covers this thing. It's line from the posterior segment to the anterior segment is 2.5 centimeter or 2 millimeter. 2.5 centimeter or 2 millimeter. And this sclera will stop at a junction called scleroconal junction. That junction is where the cornea continue. So when the sclera reach that black side, this pupil side, it reach there and stop. So the black eye, the one that cover the pupil, is the cornea. So that junction is called scleroconal junctions. If you look at your atlas, you'll be able to see what I was talking about. Then, but the sclera contains three other substructures. We have episclera, we have the sclera propria, and we have lamina fusca. These are the three structures that sclera contains. Talking about the cornea itself is this. It covers this pupil, the black part of our eye, and is transparent. That means light rays can penetrate through it. It is transparent. It is lined by epithelial layer called stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelial layer. That is what it's lined with. Just like the same epithelial layer with the vagina, it is non-keratinized, mucous in nature. Vagina is stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelial layer. Just the same thing with the pupils, with the cornea. So the cornea has other substructures like we have the epithelial layer, we have the bone marrow capsule, we have the descendant membrane, we have the stroma, and we have the endothelial layer. We start from the outer to the innermost, just coming from descending, it's descending down. So the epithelial layer, that is what that line the cornea is stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelial layer, the same layer that lines the vagina, making it mucous in nature. So it is not. Sometimes I look at your eye, it's not dry, because if it dry, there's a problem. There has to be very mucous in nature. That is the thing. So this layer is very important in the cornea, and the cornea is transparent in nature. That means light rays can only enter through it. This black hole you are seeing, that is where the cornea is lying, and that is the only one you can use and see. The white layer is the sclera and is opaque in nature, so that when light enter the eye, it cannot come out again, it cannot rebound again, and there's no way light can also penetrate from the white layer of the eye. There's some people that have this yellowish eye called jaundice. It's because of defect in bilirubin, when the liver doesn't have the deficiency enough to convert the bile to making bilirubin. Bilirubin will not be able to cause this jaundice in the eye. So when we talk about those digestive enzymes, you'll be able to know about those one. Though is that this one is if I'll talk about the fibrous layers of the eye, coming to the innermost layers of the eye, which we want to discuss in our next class. The innermost layers of the eye, which is the vascular layer that comprises the choroid, the iris body, the iris, and the what again? There are the three structures there: the iris, the choroid, and so on and the ciliary body, and so on and so forth. So thank you so much.